This is the exhaust fan in the hall bathroom, and that fan is making a weird, oh, it's a weird sound. So I just replaced that motor. You can usually get those at a hardware store. I got to check out the one in the other bathroom too. So I got a new motor for this bathroom exhaust fan, and this is the mounting plate. And then the old motor, so like this is the plate that goes up toward the ceiling. If you were to look up, you'd see this part, so it mounts up this way. The old motor had the motor down here. So the old motor, so plates like this, the fan was on top here and the motor was underneath. But because of the way this is thing here, these mounting bolts are underneath. And if I could reverse this bolt, which I can't get it out, I could reverse it and I could put like that, and that bolt will come up. I put nuts on there, but I can't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire this thing securely to this plate. Put the fan plate on here, because in order to fit up in there, the motor has to go below this mounting plate and the fan's got to go on top. And that's not possible with the orientation of those bolts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire this thing very securely, attach the motor to this plate with wire so I can get the motor below the plate and the fan blade above the plate. So now I've got this motor mounted to this plate by means of wire, and I put some electrical tape around the coils to better protect them. And I got the fan blade on top of the mounting plate and the motor beneath the mounting plate. So I can install it. So now I got that motor installed. And to secure the plate, I used aluminum tape. There you can see that aluminum tape. This is what air conditioning people use on ductwork. It really has a very strong adhesive bond, so that'll be very secure. And the new motor is much quieter.